Hello everyone, today's topic is staying up late. Before jumping to questions, let's understand the meaning of staying up late. It means you are not going to bed on time and staying awake for long hours during the night. So, when we say someone is staying up late, it means that they are remaining awake past their usual bedtime. This could be for a variety of reasons, such as working on a project, watching a movie or TV show, or just not feeling tired enough to go to sleep. Hope, meaning is clear. This video is divided into two parts. In first part, my main focus should be on vocabulary and idioms, so that you can create your own answers. In second part, I will provide you deep knowledge about this topic so that you can have more ideas to speak. Let's see first question now. Do you often stay up late? You can say, yes, I have a busy schedule and work late hours, so I burn the midnight oil. The phrase burn the midnight oil is an idiom that means to work late into the night, often by staying up and continuing to work while others are sleeping. It is commonly used to describe someone who is dedicated to their work or studies and is willing to put in extra effort and sacrifice their sleep in order to achieve their goals. There is one more idiom you can use to answer this question. Do you often stay up late? Definitely, I am a night owl and prefer staying up late. A night owl is a term used to describe a person who stays up late into the night and has a preference for being active during the evening hours. Night owls are often more productive and creative during the night, and may find it easier to concentrate and focus on tasks without the distractions of the daytime. They may also enjoy the quiet and solitude of the nighttime hours, and may feel more energized and alert during these times. So, if you are the kind of person who loves to work at night just because everyone is sleeping and there is quiet and peace around you, then, you can use this phrase. Definitely, I am a night owl and prefer staying up late. Next question is, did you stay up late when you were a kid? No, I had a fixed sleeping time. I remember I went to bed early. Both of my parents were working. They had to reach their work on time, and I had my school timings. So, we used to get up early in the morning. Although this is an excellent answer, let's see how you can use some idioms to make your answer more interesting. No, I had a fixed sleeping schedule. I remember I would hit the hay early. Both of my parents were early birds and had to catch the worm at work, and I had to be up early for school. So, we would rise and shine in the morning. Take a look at idioms now. Hit the hay. Hit the hay is an idiom that means to go to bed or go to sleep. The idiom is often used to suggest that someone is tired and ready to go to bed, or to simply indicate that it's time to go to sleep. In answer, I said I remember I would hit the hay early. I means I need to go to bed early. Next idiom is early birds. It is an idiom that refers to people who wake up early or start their day early. So, in answer, I said both of my parents were early birds, means they get up early in the morning. One more is catch the worm at work. It is not a common idiom. Actual idiom is early bird catches the worm, which suggests that people who wake up early and start their day early are more likely to be successful than others. It does not specifically refer to work, but can be applied to any situation where being active is important. So, in answer, I said, both of my parents were early birds and had to catch the worm at work. So, my parents get up early and start their day early. Next question is, what do you do when you stay up late? This depends on my schedule and mood. Sometimes, I may be working on a project, studying for an exam, or catching up on my favorite TV show or book. Other times, I may be socializing with friends on social media simply because I am unable to fall asleep. Please mold this answer according to your liking. If you are a professional, say, I may be working on a project. If you are a student, say, I may be studying for an exam. If you like watching TV at night, say, I may be catching up on my favorite TV show. Or if you like reading, say, I may be reading a book, as I am a bookworm. Last question is, what does it feel like the next morning if you stay up late? Answer of this question depends on your situation. Let's see one by one. First situation is, you have to get up early for school, college, or work. So, you feel sleepy in the morning. Then, you may say, I might feel groggy and tired, like I didn't get enough sleep. Groggy is an adjective that describes a feeling of not fully alert or awake. When someone feels groggy, they may find it difficult to concentrate, think clearly, or move quickly. Second situation is you get up late next morning and complete your sleep. What does it feel like the next morning if you stay up late? It doesn't affect me because I can sleep in the next morning. I get a full sleep and feel energetic and fully charged. That's all for questions. Now, this is the second part of the video where we will work on ideas. Staying up late is a common habit for many people. Why it is so common? The answer is simple. Their habits. Some scroll through social media, some binge watch TV shows, or they finish up their work at night. Does staying up late affect our health? Yes, it affects on both our physical and mental health. One of the most immediate effects of staying up late is that it disrupts your sleep schedule. Your body needs a certain amount of rest to function properly, and when you stay up late, you're not giving it the opportunity to recharge. This can lead to feeling more tired and groggy in the morning and can make it harder to fall asleep in the future. Staying up late can also affect your cognitive function. When you don't get enough sleep, it can be harder to concentrate, make decisions, and think creatively. This can affect your performance at work or school and can make it more challenging to complete everyday tasks. In addition to affecting your sleep and cognitive function, staying up late can have long-term health consequences. Studies have shown that people who regularly stay up late have an increased risk of developing obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. This is because staying up late disrupts the body's natural processes, including the regulation of hormones that control appetite, metabolism, and blood sugar levels. Finally, staying up late can also have psychological effects. People who stay up late are more likely to experience symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. This may be because staying up late disrupts the body's natural production of hormones like melatonin, which can affect mood and emotional regulation. If you struggle with staying up late, it's important to prioritize good sleep hygiene. This means establishing a consistent sleep schedule, limiting screen time before bed, and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. By taking steps to improve your sleep habits, you can improve your overall health and well-being. I try best to add value to your learning. If you like the way of my teaching, drop your comments and also like, share and subscribe Speaklux. That's all for today's video. Catch you with another interesting English and IELTS concept. Till then, have a nice day and good luck.